Hello everyone, myself Anisha Kapoor. So, in this page, I have created a grid table using HTML. The table shows the marks and grades of different subjects in a clear and organized way. I use basic HTML tags like table, tr tag, ts tag, and TD to structure the data properly. The data includes headings for each columns and rows that display the course name, course code, total marks, obtained marks, and the final grade. I also added a small footer message at the end to make the page look complete and professional. So, so now explain you many of tags that I used in my page. So firstly, start for the body tag. Body tag is used to contain all the main content of the body. So then I use the table tag which is used to create a table layout. And I have added to the attribute border to make the border visible and to clear separate each cell. Inside the table, the first row is created using by tr tag and contains ts tags, which defines the column headings, course name, course code, total marks, obtained marks, and grade. These headings are bold and centered by default, making the table look neat and clear. So after that, I added row using tr tag, and each row contains several td tags. These td tags hold the actual data for each subject, such as foundation of IT, mathematics, problem solving, DBMS, along with their respective course code and total marks, obtained marks, and grade. This helps in displaying information in a structured, row-wise manner. The th tag above the table gives a title, grade table, grade table, which helps user quickly understand what the section is about. So then I use Finally, I use the footer tag to display thank you message at the bottom of the page. The footer adds a professional touch and gives the web page a clean ending. Overall, demon- this code demonstrates how HTML table can be effectively used to present academic information in a clear and simple and well organized layout. Every tag in this code plays an important role in making the data easy and read and visually structured, giving the web page a polished and complete look. So I hope you understand. Thank you.